Episode 1. The switch that divides America and how to turn it off. Deep inside our brains is an ancient alarm system that instantly categorizes the world into us and them. In 2025, this switch is being flipped constantly, driving us further apart. In this episode, we uncover the neuroscience of the tribal switch and explore a simple science-backed technique to regain control. Inspired by the research of Dr. Robert Sapolsky, Human Behavioral Biology, Stanford. What was the last thing that flipped your tribal switch? Share your experience in the comments below. The human brain is a pattern recognition machine. It processes information by instantly categorizing the world into us and them. This allows us to quickly make decisions based on broad generalizations, because our brains cannot possibly process all available information. But this incredible mental shortcut also has a dark side. It creates an us versus them mentality that can turn into prejudice and discrimination if we're not careful. In a highly polarized environment, our tribal switch gets flipped more often, making it harder to see the humanity in those who hold different beliefs than us. This constant back and forth between us and them activates our amygdala, the brain's fear center. Over time, this chronic stress response makes it more difficult to think clearly and rationally. So how do we stop the tribal switch from dividing us? In his book, Behave, Dr. Robert Sapolsky describes a simple yet powerful technique to help us regain control. When we catch ourselves in the us versus them mentality, we can use the power of pause and perspective to flip the switch back off. Taking a few deep breaths can help activate the prefrontal cortex, the part of the brain responsible for rational thinking and decision-making. By consciously shifting our attention away from the threat and towards the bigger picture, we can break the cycle of us versus them. But it's not just about taking a deep breath. It's also about fostering curiosity and empathy towards those who are different from us. By asking questions and actively listening, we can start to see the humanity in those who hold different beliefs than us. It's easy to get caught up in the echo chamber of our own beliefs and values, but it's crucial to take a step back and reflect on the root of our anger. Is it really based on a fundamental difference in values? Or are we simply reacting to a threat that our brain has categorized as us versus them? By understanding the neuroscience of the tribal switch, we can start to take back control of our thoughts and emotions. In an age of political polarization, it is more important than ever to find common ground and build bridges of understanding across the divides that separate us. So the next time you feel that anger rising up inside of you, take a moment to pause, breathe deeply, and ask yourself, am I really angry, or am I simply reacting to a threat that my brain has categorized as us versus them? If the latter is true, then it is time to flip the switch back off by actively listening to the other side and seeking to understand their perspective. Only then can we start to heal the divides that are tearing our country apart and build a better future together. If you enjoyed this episode, please leave a thumbs up and share with others. And don't forget to subscribe for more thought-provoking content. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.